To treat seed professionally and to be able to treat seed correctly, there's a few steps that you need to adhere to. So the first step is you need to have clean seed. You need to have good quality seed, and normally professional seed companies can offer you this. But clean seed is the most important in terms of preparing the seed for a seed treatment. So the processing of seed, you need good and robust seed treatment and seed cleaning equipment. So if you can have the seed clean and pure before seed treatment, the seed application will be much easier, and it means that the product will not stick to foreign material that might also come with the seed. So if the seed's clean, the product goes everything to the seed and nothing else. The second step is to have the correct recipe. So and when I talk about recipe, it's a combination of different products. Just as you would bake a cake, you need a certain specific recipe to follow, and it's exactly the same with seed treatment. If you don't have a good and tested recipe, you don't know what's going to happen. So you need to apply the products at the right rates, you need to apply them in the right volume, to the right volume of seed as well. The third step would be to use the correct coatings and polymers to support these products on the seed. The coatings also support to control dust. It helps to increase the flow of the seed again after treatment, because when you treat seed, they lose their characteristics of flow and plantability, but the coating helps to get that back to where it should be. So dust obviously is very important, because dust is the enemy. We want all the product on the seed and nowhere else. So when you open a bag of seed, then the dust should be very limited. There's also standards to follow. We test the dust through Weibach method in a laboratory to make sure that the dust limits are in that standards that we try to follow. The fourth step would be to use the correct method of application. So there's many ways. You find that some companies use the wrong methods, like let's say concrete mixer, for example, which is obviously not the right way. There's professional machines that's being designed and available to do seed treatments, and this should be followed. These machines also allow you to put the recipe into the machine that you have formulated, and it helps you also to have the right amount of seed treated every time. So there's two types of seed treaters. The one is a batch treater and the other one is a continuous treater. The one is more continuous flow of seed and treatment, and then the batch treater is batch by batch, that works in cycles of, say, for example, 50 kilogram at a time, finishing the cycle and then the next 50 kilogram. But both machines can be very accurate if your recipe and your seed volume and calibration is followed.